In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a home decor Shopify store. We'll build a clean, stylish storefront from start to finish so you can showcase your products beautifully and help shoppers find what they love. Start by creating your Shopify store. Sign up, enter your store name, and add your basic business details. Shopify walks you through the setup and you can adjust anything later, so don't worry about getting every choice perfect right away. Once you're in the Shopify admin, head to Online Store, then Themes. Choose a clean, image-focused theme that highlights visuals. Preview a few options and consider how your photos, typography, and navigation will look across desktop and mobile. Home decor sells through atmosphere, so prioritize themes that let your imagery breathe. Now customize your design for a warm, stylish feel. Stick to neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and earth tones for an inviting palette. Pair elegant, readable fonts for headings and body text, and use large lifestyle banners that show products in real rooms. Keep the layout minimal with generous white space to avoid clutter and draw attention to key sections like featured products or collections. Consistency across colors, fonts, and spacing will make your brand feel professional. Create the essential pages to guide shoppers. Build your home and shop pages first, then About Us to share your brand story, contact for questions, and FAQ to address common concerns. Add shipping and returns to set clear expectations. Transparency here reduces cart abandonment and builds trust. Add your products, then add product. Upload high quality room and product photos from multiple angles. Write detailed descriptions that include dimensions, materials, and care instructions to help customers visualize fit and quality. Set prices, variants such as size or color, and inventory to keep stock accurate. Group items into collections like living room, bedroom, kitchen, wall decor, new arrivals, and best sellers. Collections make navigation intuitive and allow you to feature curated sets on the homepage. In settings, open payments and enable Shopify payments and PayPal so customers have trusted options at checkout. Next, go to Settings, Shipping, and Delivery to add shipping rates and delivery zones. Choose clear, simple rates and double check that they align with your margins. Connect your domain in Settings, Domains. You can buy one through Shopify or connect a domain you already own for a polished branded URL. Install helpful apps to extend functionality. Add a reviews app like Judge.me, an email marketing tool like Klaviyo, and a wishlist or bundle app to increase engagement and average order value. Keep your app stack lean to maintain speed. Optimize for SEO by using keywords such as modern home decor, wall art, and decorative pillows in titles and descriptions. Write concise meta titles and descriptions and add image alt text for accessibility and search. Before launching, place a test order, browse your store on mobile, and when everything looks great, remove password protection. Your home decor Shopify store is now ready to shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.